Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will be learning about splicing in index number. This is my index number video tutorial series, lecture 8. In this video, you will be learning about what is splicing in index number and how we are going to splice the given index number series. So I request you, please stay tuned till the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Splicing is very easy concept as well as it is very important as far as any competitive examination or university level examination is concerned. So I request you, please stay tuned till the end of this video and learn splicing in index number. Splicing in index number. The process of combining two or more index numbers covering different bases into a single series is called splicing. So in an index number, it may become necessary at certain times to make provision for appearance of a new item or disappearance of an existing or previously used item. So let's understand this splicing with an example. Let's consider this data. In this data, as you can see, a product A starts in the year 2010 and it survives in the market till 2013, and a new product came into the market in the same year 2013. So the intersection year is 2013. So here we can say product A survives in the market till 2013 and product B starts in the market in the year 2013. So I can say this might be the reason the moment product B came into the market, product A disappears from the market. So appearance and disappearance of two different products. So here we need to find out in splicing if product A still exists in the market till 2013, what will be the index numbers? If product B starts in 2010, what will be its index number? So we need to find out this. So if we have to find out this too, it will be called as first product B starting from 2010. Okay, it will be called as forward splicing. If product A survives till 2016, then it will be called as backward splicing. So in detail, I will be telling you what is backward splicing and forward splicing. So we have two types of splicing. The very first is forward splicing and the next is backward splicing. So this is the data as we have seen. So here product B, if starting from the year 2010, then it will be called as forward splicing. So let's see what is forward splicing. Forward splicing means if all the index numbers are calculated using the given, that is recent year, as a base year. So in this 2010 and 13, which is a recent year, 2013. So with respect to 2013, if I am constructing the index, then it will be called as a forward splicing. Next we have the backward splicing. So what is backward splicing? So let's see this. If all the index numbers are calculated using the old previous year as a base year. So if I have to find out 2014, 15, 16 index numbers of a product A, then I have to take the previous base year, that is 2010. So on the basis of 2010, if I am constructing the index number, then it will be called as backward splicing. So I am going to explain you more in detail about forward and backward splicing. So let's see this data again. Here as you can see, index number based on 2000 and index number based on 2003. These two I have here. Okay. So this index number based on 2000 exists till 2003 and the base year for this is 2000. Next I have the index number based on 2003, their base year is 2003. So this is the data I have here. Okay, now I have to find out this 2003 base year, if I am taking, okay, for this index number series, what will be the index number for 2000, 2001, 2002? Then this will be called as our forward splicing. Considering 2003 as a base year, finding the index number for the year 2000, 2001 and 2002. If I have to find out the index number, if I have to find out the index number of a previous years by keeping the recent year as a base, then it will be called as forward splicing. Why it is forward? Because the recent year we are going to take from this study. The recent year is 2003. So recent year, by considering that if you are constructing the index number, it will be called as forward splicing. So next we have this. Okay, now 2004, 2005 and 2006, their base year is 2000. So this will be called as backward splicing. Considering 2000 as a base year for finding the index number for the year 2004, 5 and 6. Okay, this type of splicing will be called as backward splicing. Here, if you see, already we have the data for the, if I consider the year 2003, okay, I have the data for 4, 5 and 6. So I have the data for the next years. If I consider the series of 2000, I don't have the data for 2004, 5 and 6. So I have to create the index number for this. So that's the reason it is a backward splicing by considering the previous year. Whereas in 2003, we don't have the data for 2000, 2001, 2002. So that's the reason it is called as forward splicing, because the year here is, we are considering 2003. Okay, 2003 is our base year, whereas we have to find out the index number of a previous the base year. So that's the reason it will be called as forward splicing. Example problem of splicing in index number. Splice the following two series of index number with 1982 as a base year and next 1985 as a base year. So here is the problem we have here. Year 1982 till 88 we have series A and series B index series is given. So let's start with our solution part. Here is the solution for our problem. So this is a given question, the observation table. Here I have taken two series A and B in two different colors. Series A is in orange color, series B is in purple color. So here we need to find out for the series A the index number 1986, 1987, 1988. For series B 1982, 1983 and 1987. So this I have taken as for the series A Y1, Y2, Y3. For series B X1, X2, X3. So we need to find out the values of X1, X2, X3 and Y1, Y2, Y3. So how to calculate this? So for the X1 I have taken 125 by X1, which is equals to 200 by 100. Why 200 by 100? Because as we can see, series A ends at 1985 and series B and starts from 1985. So this is the intersection point. So this value I have to take, that is 200 by 100. So 125 by X1 is equals to 200 by 100. Next 150 by X2 is equals to 200 by 100. Next 180 by X3 is equals to 200 by 100. So in this way I have calculated X1, X2, X3 values. Next Y1, Y2, Y3 values. How to calculate? Y1 by 105, Y2 by 110, Y3 by 120. All these three must be equals to 200 by 100 because 200 by 100 is our intersection here. So this is our calculation. I have substituted in the tabulation. Here I got the values for the series B as for the 1982 is 62.5, 1983 is 75, 1987 is 90. For 1986 for the series A I got 210, 1987 220, 1988 is 240. So I got this in tabulation. So this is called as our series A. If I take this splicing, it will be called as backward splicing for the year 1986, 1987, 1988. For this series B 1982, 1983 and 1987 will be called as forward splicing. So this is all about our forward splicing and backward splicing and splicing in index number. In coming videos, I will be dealing with the next new topic of related to index number. So I request you to stay tuned on my channel. Thank you.
Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Thank you.